Hi, second grade friends. We're going to get ready to do syllabication for this week. Make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker. Here's our first word. Go ahead and write it on your whiteboard or piece of paper. Okay, we're going to go ahead and find the first two vowels. We see UR as a vowel and E as a vowel. We're going to draw our bridge, label our consonant, draw our syllable wall, we're going to look at this syllable type. We see UR. We know that's a bossy R syllable type. We're going to look. We see our E, and the NT is closing the door. So this is a closed syllable. We're going to get ready to read our word. Urgent. Urgent. Here is our next word. Go ahead and write that on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard. Okay, we're going to go ahead and find our first two vowels. We see A and ER. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonants. We're going to draw our syllable division wall. Now you might have noticed another vowel in this word. We're going to go ahead and mark that vowel. I see Y. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label that consonant. Draw our syllable wall. So we have 3 syllables in this word. We're going to look at our first one. We see A. We see the L is closing the door. We see ER. We know that's a bossy R syllable type. And we see Y at the end, but nothing is closing the door, so it is open. We're going to get ready to read this word. Allergy. Allergy. Great work today.